Did you know a single warehouse robbery in 1983 quietly funded murders, mansions, and criminal empires for the next 20 years? On the 26th of November, a small crew walked into a Heathrow cargo warehouse before dawn. They had inside information. One of their own worked there. Within minutes, they had tied up the staff and loaded 3 tons of gold bullion onto a van. The haul was worth £26 million. But moving that much gold is its own problem. Within weeks, the bullion was melted down and mixed with copper. It passed through legitimate jewelers. It bought property. It became clean money, and the law could barely touch it. Then the killing started. Over the next 2 decades, person after person connected to the gold turned up dead. Some were shot, some simply vanished. Detectives called it the Brinks-Mat curse, and the name stuck. The robbery itself took less than an hour. The violence it triggered lasted a generation. And the fortunes it built? Many of them still exist today.